What is going on, you guys? So me and my daughter are out here. Say hello. So we are out here because I had just bought a drone that it cost $40. So it's originally $100, but I got it from a half off store for $40. So that is a drone right here, and it's got a camera out in the front, and the controller here is this, which also brings a phone mount, and you can use your phone. As you guys can see, I'm walking in front of it right now, and you can see that. So we're going to try this thing out. Well, she's going to try it out, and we're going to see how it does. All right, come back here. All right, now press that button, the launch.
This one?
Yes. See, look. Go fly it. Whoa, don't go too high up. Bring it down. Let it come down. So here's the view of it. Bringing it down. All right, and now this one, look, this one is to fly it around.
But I want to fly.
Fly. Bring it over here. Bring it back to this way. And as you guys can see, it's a 5-year-old that's flying this thing. Bring it this way. It's right over there. Bring it back this way.
Where?
Bring it back this way. Wait. Hold on. Here. So I decided to take control of the drone because my daughter didn't know which way it was actually going, and honestly neither did I. So I kind of made a little bit of a mistake here, and again, I am not used to drawing airplanes or drones or anything like that, but my daughter really wanted a drone. So here's the predicament I'm in right now. So that's where it ended up. Here are the bushes. I'm gonna get it out and we're gonna try this again. So this thing is pretty awesome. So this thing has like a stump button, a video where you can record. I actually have an SD card in there now. So let's see what this thing does. So I'm gonna hit the stump button. Where's that, the video? That's video, so it's recording. Woo! All right. All right, you guys. That was actually pretty cool. I actually like this thing. My daughter likes this thing. We had pretty good fun with it. For $40, hey, you can't go wrong with it. I'll let you guys know what the name of it is down in the description below. It's like a Journey Viper, Sky Viper, Journey SE. I got for $40 at a half off store. Originally, you can get it at Target, but this thing's actually pretty fun, pretty cool. So, guys, my daughter's freezing cold. Say bye-bye. I'm cold. We're going to go home. You all have a good one. Keep RCing, everybody.